Welcome to Fanatical Side Rider. This is what I enjoy the most is snow plowing at night. We are getting a bit of snow here. I actually went up the driveway before I went to bed last night and I just wanted to keep on top of it because we were supposed to get some rain, but it's still snowing at 5 a.m. in the morning and I'm getting started here and doing another pass on my driveway here, which is about a quarter mile long. This is actually the easiest part of my driveway. When I'm done this part, I'm going to go up and do the paved part up near the house, and we'll continue plowing there. I just installed a new light bar on the front of my ATV, and you can see it really lights up the area really well. I can see far, and I'm enjoying this. We actually had a good amount of snow. That's why I hit the driveway the night before, so that this morning it's not so bad. I'm telling you, if it rained, that's what we're getting lately, a lot of rain when it snows after the snow, and it makes plowing a lot of work. So I wasn't going to get caught again, so I got up earlier this morning so I could get ahead of it, and it worked out well. I want to turn around here without doing like a 3-point turn, so I stopped, took it out of four-wheel drive, just put in two. Just do a quick spin here, turn around quick, then I'll stop and put it in four-wheel drive again, and continue for another pass up the driveway. Okay, now we're up near my shop and I'm gonna clear the driveway here. It's this is gravel, but most of it's paved. But this part here is gravel. It's just a small piece. I did a little bit of it last night too, but you can see there's quite a bit of snow still. So I'm glad I did, because there'd be a lot more passes to do in the morning. Well, the sun's coming up slowly. We're losing the darkness. but it's still dark enough. I got my light bar still on and you can see it well. I always get a satisfaction of plowing the paved part of the driveway, or all the driveway really, when it's all done and you look back and you see it that it's all done and it's clean. It feels really good. See that? My marker on the right side? I snapped it. I wasn't too happy. That's the first year I've been using the markers on this plow blade, and it's been nice to have them. Now I have to order another set because of my kind of recklessness there. I should have known that would happen. I kind of got pissed and threw my marker up the driveway. But I'm over it now. I'll just have to get another set.